Hello, this is Baldeep. I got my rotator cuff surgery today at CAC Hospital, CAC USC in downtown Los Angeles by Dr. Reza Omid. He's a very good doctor. So I got today is September 16. My surgery was done September 16, 2021. It was done between 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. They let me go around 6:15 to home. My wife picked me up because you can't drive after having a sling. So before the surgery, they put a nerve blocking right here. They did some kind of ultrasound to find the nerve, which nerve they have to block. So it blocks the whole arm. Even it's been like almost 7.5 hours after the surgery. I still have no feelings in the arm, so no pain because of the nerve block. The nerve block will last like 3 days. I have a hanging machine. I have to hold it. There is some adjustment in the machine. You can adjust how much medicine you want to go in. So, okay, let's talk about the surgery. I had my subscapularis completely 100% torn. Can you show the picture of subscapularis, of a torn subscapularis? Okay, so that's a normal subscapularis. It was completely torn like that. It shows in the picture. The red part is torn, so it was 100% torn. And on the top of subscapularis, you see super. I can't pronounce it, but supraspinatus muscle, which was 98% torn. Can you put a finger on that muscle? Okay, so it was torn right there where she put the finger. So it was also 98% torn. So because of that torn, I could not move my arm to the right side, and because of the subscapularis, I couldn't lift my arm to the front. So these two were completely torn. Okay, move the pictures now. Okay. So the surgery was done very professionally with a very very highly qualified sports surgeon. So even after 7 hours after the surgery, I'm still feeling good. I ate well after I came home with the general anesthesia, whatever it is. I had no problem. I didn't have any vomiting. My mind was set that I'm gonna go get the surgery. But before, from a long time, I was trying physical therapy. Physical therapy is only good if you have a partial or a very little tear. You can manage with the physical therapy. But if you have a bigger tear or complete tear like mine, physical therapy won't work on you. And for some guys who don't know about this, they only do x-rays. X-rays don't show these muscles, these tendons. So only MRI shows these muscles. So I just want other people to know who don't know much about shoulder pain and they are having pain and they're just taking Tylenol or Motrin. I will suggest them to find their orthopedic doctor, go see them, and go with his or her advice. Can you show the picture of X-ray? Okay, if you look at X-ray's picture, X-ray will show only bones. It will not show any tendon or it will not show any muscles. So X-ray will, if you have a broken bone, it will show. Mostly doctors, they only do X-ray, they say, oh, you are fine. It's not that. You need to see an orthopedic doctor and get an MRI done, and after whatever the doctors say, follow their advice. So now, okay, move that. So I will keep you guys updated almost for a few days every day. Then I will start slowing it down because I also want to keep this record that how I am doing after the surgery for a few days, what the reactions are. Right now, no pain, but the pain will come in 2 or 3 days later when this nerve blocking thing wears off. So there is a machine inside. Maybe one day I will show you which machine it is. It's attached to my nerve right here, if you can see. And I don't know where they make holes, but they cover it with this kind of tape. And there are so many gauze pads, so if there is any bleeding, it will just stay into there. So today's Friday or today's Thursday. My doctor wants me to come either Monday or Wednesday to see him, and I will update everybody what happens after that appointment. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you for watching.